how do the modified engines work?
You're asking me, they're just like any engine. They develop horsepower and hopefully you got enough to be competitive.
So looking at the blower, how do you get the power from the motor to the wheels?
Well, you have to go back through the drivetrain, of course. You start at the clutch, start the motor, then the clutch, and there's a short shaft that goes from the clutch to the cross box, the gearbox that ties both engines together. Once the engines are tied together, then there's a single output shaft that goes back to the differential. It's really pretty simple. Looks complicated, but it's not.
Gotcha. How much horse does each engine put out?
Oh, that's a good question. Everybody will have a different answer, but I'd say these motors are probably 26 to 2,800 horsepower each. That's a guess. I've never had them on a dyno, so I don't know for sure. Really, you got your engine, of course, developing the horsepower. The clutch is underneath this clutch can. That's what transfers the power, and this is a centrifugal clutch, so it doesn't do anything. It doesn't transfer any power until it receives RPM. As you bring the engine RPM up, the clutch engages, transfers the power from the clutch to the cross box. Both motors are doing it, relatively together. Obviously, that would be the ideal thing. From the cross box, they come out the center shaft, and there's a fairly long drive shaft that goes back to the differential.
Gotcha.
That's how the power gets to the rear wheels.
Awesome.
Here with the Beer Money Pulling Team. Thanks for watching our YouTube video. Thank you for following us on social media. If you'd like a Beer Money Pulling Team hat, t-shirt, hoodie, koozie, whatever, go over to beermoneypullingteam.com, click on Beer Money Gear, and we ship orders out every day. If any of you are looking to grow your brands, your teams, your associations, whatever, we have a full-time staff here to help you promote the sport and cover the sport of truck and tractor pulling. Thanks for watching and have a good day.